Alright, it is Sunday. It is September the 2nd, 2012. We are heading to Greenwich, Connecticut, Burning Tree Country Club for the fireworks show. Alright, we are arriving on site, Burning Tree Country Club, Greenwich, Connecticut. Following the truck to the site. I believe we have to leave our personal cars up here somewhere because we only could fit like the truck. It's a real tight site on the golf course. So I have to transfer all my equipment from my vehicle here into the back of the truck, and then we ride in the back of the truck down to the site. Okay, I just made the transfer of all my stuff into the truck. And now we just have to wait to drive the truck down on site. We got a big truck. It's a little hard to make the turn here. We have the truck down here on site. We're going to have to walk the racks. The setup site is right there. So obviously we can't drive the truck across the grass here. So we'll just have to carry them from here to there. And our tables and chairs will be set up over here in the shade. All right. Truck duty today. Again, we don't have a huge crew today, so I'm not going to be able to film too much. Time's of the essence. We're getting some good snapshots for my Facebook, and I'll video a little bit here and there, but need one more, right?
Yeah. John, you want me to keep going? That's 4. One more?
Towards the trees now, that's the whole thing.
Right here?
A little bit more. That first tree will move over, but yeah, that's fine right there.
All right. As I said, I'm on truck duty today. It's hot in here. Hang on. I'm doing the truck, and we have Wonder Woman and Batgirl over here doing all the work.
Where do you want me to put these? Right in between here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
5.
If you separate them, I'll carry them over.
She's a tough cookie.
But that hurts your back. It's carrying them that way.
This is we're going to call this one the Chris, Barbara, and Dom show. I'm unloading the truck, they're carrying all the racks. We're getting there. We're getting there. More 5s, right? taking a quick break, waiting for them to pick up another load of racks that I have at the back of the truck here. We're down to just the last few 6-inch racks. So taking a quick break so they come and pick up this next load I have at the back of the truck. We got these racks here, and that's it. We have the 6-inch that I have here, and what's left at the back of the truck. A few more left. Just 5 more 6s. That's all that's got to come off. 5 more 6-inch racks. All right. Stand by. It's hot in here in this truck. Like we're not late enough. Now we got a rain delay. Not having fun today. Short-handed. Now we got rain. Why do I do this? Diet. Look at this guy. He's skinny as a twig. He's drinking diet soda. What's wrong with you? Anyway, it's all Jeff's fault. He brought the rain.
Yes.
Right now we have a, I don't know how long it's going to last. I didn't even know they were calling for this. This might be leftovers from Hurricane Isaac. I didn't think we were supposed to get rain today. This isn't Isaac? Tuesday? Yeah, maybe this is just a cold front or something. I don't know what it is, but I didn't know we were going to get rain today. But we were just starting to load. Everything's built. We were just starting to load. Wait till you see how I'm doing the 6s tonight. John already goes, you know who's lighting those, right? I said, yeah, I had a feeling. Oh, they'll find some dumb son of a bitch to light them. That would be me. Because of the distance here on the fairway and everything, the state fire marshal wanted us to set them up this way because of the distances. To build them in pods, we were going over the distance limit, so we had to compact them. So basically all the 6s are built as if it was an electric show. So you can do it, but be interesting. Waiting for the rain to cease. Just another you know, just another problem on a already stressful day. Alright, stand by. It's what it's about. Life as a pyrotechnician and everything it throws at you. The women don't look happy today. No comment. Alright, that's going to be the view at shoot time. I got to cover this camera up because it's raining.
Stay safe. Ready? Hit it down.
All right, we got all the racks unnailed. We're loading the truck. (11 p.m.) and we are leaving. As another show comes to a close, we are leaving. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.